Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today I am here with the contents of cerebellum. The cerebellum, which is Latin for little brain, is a major structure of the hindbrain that is located near the brainstem. Location: when looking at the brain, the cerebellum looks much like a smaller structure separate from the brain, found beneath the hemispheres of the cerebral cortex. There are two main parts of the cerebellum: cerebellar cortex and cerebellar nuclei. Regions of the cerebellum. The cerebellum is made up of three distinct lobes, arranged by their individual function: flocculonodular lobe, posterior lobe, and anterior lobe. The outer surface of the cerebellum is known as the arbor vitae, which translates to the tree of life. Vasculature. The cerebellum receives its blood supply from three paired arteries, that is, superior cerebellar artery, anterior inferior cerebellar artery, and posterior inferior cerebellar artery. There are several key functions of the cerebellum, including balance and posture, mental function, movement, motor learning, and vision. Drainage. The venous drainage of the cerebellum is by the superior and inferior cerebellar veins. They drain into the superior petrosal, transverse, and straight dural venous sinuses. Conditions that affect the cerebellum. When your cerebellum is damaged, nerve cells break down and die and can cause the following, like ataxia, that is the loss of control of voluntary movements, and vertigo, the dizziness sensation of spinning, swaying, or tickling, which is frequently associated with the balance problem and often accompanied by nausea, vomiting, headache, or hearing loss, etc. Autism spectrum disorders, that is a developmental condition that causes impairment in social interaction and communication. Then dyslexia, it is a disorder that makes it difficult to process speech and result in problems with reading, writing, and spelling. And schizophrenia too, that is a psychotic disorder characterized by distorted perceptions, thoughts, emotions, and beliefs that are not connected to the reality. Cerebellum facts. When driving, the cerebellum helps to coordinate the left and right hand movement on the steering wheel. From birth age until age 2, the cerebellum grows faster than the rate of the brain. It is almost like a mini brain, that is memories of work, gradually learned movements, data bank, daily movements, etc. Then rapid impulses produced by cerebral cortex can elaborate the data in less than 1/10th of a second. To help you remember more specific anatomical structures of the cerebellum, you can use the following mnemonic. Don't eat greasy food. D represents the dentate nucleus. E and G represents the components of the interposed nucleus, that is emboliform nucleus and globose nucleus. F represents the vestigial nucleus. These deep cerebellar nuclei are ordered laterally to medially, from the outer region of the body towards the inner region, and occurs on both sides of the brain. So it would be arranged like this: D, E, G, F, F, G, E, D. That's all today. See you on next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.